What's good, y'all? What's happening? It's FLYEERRKicks, man. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and go ahead and drop a comment, man, if you like the content. And I got my IG name right here down below. Head over, give me a follow. Drop some comments on there if you like some of the content, some of the pics. Just let me know how y'all feeling. Getting straight to it, man. It's been a big weekend in sneaker releases this week. Straight out of Houston, man. Travis Scott been doing this thing. He released his bobblehead. Had a special night earlier on this week, rocking the Cactus Jack 4s on the bobblehead. So I had to go ahead and make sure I got one. Shout out to my Neo for grabbing this for me. But Travis Scott been doing some big things, man. Got his own bobblehead. It was limited to about 3,000, I believe. And it's crazy that people are reselling a bobblehead for upwards of 200, 250 bucks, man. But it has his Cactus Jack chain on, Cactus Jack on the back, has his 4s on. So it's cool, man. A lot of people been joking, saying it looked like Lil Flip instead of Travis Scott. But that's dope that he has his own stuff from his own city, man. Keeping with the pace of Travis Scott, man, I got a special bag here from Space Village. Now, I personally took an L, so I gotta shout out my homegirl Whitney for letting me do this for y'all, man. I had to keep the content coming. This is a special release. As y'all know, the SBs dropped. And luckily, at Travis Scott store Space Village, they dropped the Travis Scott. They dropped the exclusive box. Now this box was limited to I believe about 300 to 400 people won out here, man. It has the paisley print all over it. Paisley print on the top with the Nike Air, man. Same on the bottom. Has like the Burberry style prints on the side. Cactus Jack on here. Has all his branding, man. He really did his thing on this box, I can't lie. That's one thing I can give like Travis Scott credit for. When he goes in and designs a shoe, like even with his Jordans, any of the Nikes he does, he really changed the whole game. He doesn't really just change the colorway. He really adds his own flavor, adds his own details, man. So I gotta give him his credit. Every time I review his shoes, he really does his own thing, from the box to different laces to adding pockets on different Jordans, man. He keeps it real different. Now the tag on these reads, Nike SB Dunk Low, Premium Quick Stripe, black, and parachute beige. This is a size 8. Not my size, unfortunately, but like I said, might pair to win on these. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I can find some for a pretty decent price. But here we are, the Travis Scott SBs, man. Now off the rip, my favorite part about this shoe is the rope laces he used, man. That was a super dope touch, man. I've never seen anybody use like laces like this other than like different different customizers, but I've never seen any retail shoes from Nike with these type of laces, man. I really like that accent. You got the nice beige suede on the toe box, has the paisley bandana print, which actually peels off to have the Cactus Jack emblem showing. Has like the Burberry print on the mid panel. Has a black swoosh on the outside and the pink one on the inside, man. All tan outsole. Just a really nice detailed pair of shoes. The details on these are just crazy, to be honest, man. I'm not in love with the shoe. It's not just clean like that to me. I know people love Travis Scott, but the details make up for it, man. The details and the premium materials, that makes up for it. It adds the hype to the shoe. I can understand that aspect of it. The prices on these are crazy right now, man. This special edition box is going for upwards of 1,500 in sizes. The regular box are still going between 9 to 1,200. So the prices on these are crazy. Like, this is one of the few shoes that resell. The value didn't really drop once pairs released. Like, most of the time the pairs will be high in value. People will get their pairs, and then once they sell, the market kind of drops. Market has been pretty stiff on these, man, especially on these special packaging pairs. So we'll see how that goes, man. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get up close and personal with these Travis Scott SBs. Now, getting up close and personal with these, man, as you see on the top, it's a black Nike SB box with the different panels on each side, man, the different colors that go with parts of the shoe and just themes from Travis Scott. Tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low, Premium Quick Stripe. It's a size 8, black, and parachute beige. The top of the box is super clean. Has the paisley print paper. Have the receipt right here from Space Village. Retail price on these was $150. About 163, I think. Yeah, 162 out the door. In Houston. Boom, man. Here we go. This is, like I said, this is a size 8, man. See that suede on the back with the Cactus Jack embossed into that suede. You see the paisley print, that all of the paisley bandana print can be removed and show an underlayer. Has that Burberry style mid panel with the tan outsole, white midsole. And I really like those rope laces, like I said, man. That's just something different. Has this Cactus Jack branding on the tongue. Has a pink swoosh on the inside of the shoe and a black swoosh on the outside. This is a really clean shoe. Just the quality is crazy on these, man. It's a really nice suede. You definitely if you're gonna wear them, I definitely would take some good care of these. It's some nice quality materials that needs to be taken care of. But if you're gonna rock them, just to keep them fresh. I know it's a skateboard shoe, blah blah blah, but I keep my shoes fresh, man. So this is a shoe you're gonna have to walk light in, to be completely honest. Comes with the extra sets of laces in black and pink. Has the bandana insole with Nike SB stamped inside. Just the overall clean shoe, man. Y'all just check these out, man. Give me y'all honest opinion. Leave a comment down below if you're feeling these, if you think the resale market is worth it, if you're gonna pay that, or if it was retail or bust for you, man. Let me know how y'all feeling. Now that just about wraps it up for this video. Got the Travis Scott SB Dunks right here. Got the bobblehead from his bobblehead night. Y'all let me know how y'all feeling about these, man. You gonna pay that resale value? You gonna let them sit? Just gonna admire from afar? Or what you gonna do? You gonna try to make a trade and try to make some collateral for these, man? Let me know how y'all truly feeling. Is it heat or is it hype, man? But till next time on the next video, we got the Travis Scott SB Lows. Peace.